going down. He's going down. Alright, good morning, people. Alright, so I made it through the night. And then two, I'm trying to figure out something to do with this light. Anyway, we'll just have to make it work. But, made it through the night. I just fixed me some eggs with a couple of leftover steak kebab chunks that I had left over that I couldn't eat. So I'm fixing to eat that, and I'm rolling out. So I'll get back in touch with y'all once I sit down somewhere. All right, bye. All right, y'all. I'm set up, and it's finally bright enough for me not to scare anything off. So I'm roughly in the same spot I was last evening. Coming in, I spotlighted what looked to be a decent buck. It could have been the same one from yesterday. But anyway, I'm set up now. I moved to the crest of the hill. And so you can now see I've got a lot bigger view. And I've still got an angle to the scrapes and rubs. So my thought process is they're going to come through this draw with this wind blowing. So the only thing I don't like this morning is we got some heavy wind. So, but we'll see. All right, I'll check back with y'all. He's going down. He's going down. He's going down. Okay. I just took one out. It's a nice buck, real nice. I'm gonna give him a little while before I go over there. And but yeah. Worked out great. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. All right, I'm back, y'all. Well, I didn't find that buck. It's like 11 something now. I shot it about right at 7:30, something like that. I could see the blood pouring out of the side of it. So, but that's a lesson learned. I saw him go down, and I should have just stayed sitting there, come back to camp, whatever, 30, 45 minutes, an hour. Saw that head roll back, and I was like, oh, he's done. He's done. And but them old bruisers, they'll keep trucking. They will keep trucking. So got a bad storm coming in. I had to put up a wind tarp here because I'm supposed to have 20-mile-an-hour south winds coming in. So this should help block the rain coming in. And other than that, I'm just going to sit here and enjoy nature. Messed up part is if I was to find him right now, or even if I was to shoot another one, with how bad the wind is, I couldn't even get out to go get him processed or her processed. So basically that's a wrap for me today. I'm gonna go to a total different area, leave this one alone a little bit, because I jumped, I don't know, four bigger bucks than the one that I shot. But the one I shot, he had those really dark chocolate brown tines, and then the body was real dark. I mean, I would have literally had to have fallen on him. But worked on trying to get a dog out here, but it's only boat accessible. So with the wind like it is, you know, I can't take that chance. So anyway, I'm gonna sign off. I didn't give a last night closing. I was exhausted, and as soon as I crawled into this old Havens thing, I think I was out after about 10 minutes, something like that. I woke up about 2 or 3. There was an old raccoon in my camp, so I'm gonna have me some lunch and clean up just a little bit in here, and then I'm just gonna kick back and relax. I may even take a nap. I don't know. I don't want to be awake all night either. So, well, I've dragged some firewood in, which is not really necessary. I've got that propane stove. So, anyway, let me sign off here, and I'll be back on here later. Well, y'all, I'm laying in camp, not sitting in camp. It's been pouring down rain, heavy winds. I battened down the hatches earlier. I had to pull that down, that front end down, and paracord it down to a stake because the wind kept blowing up the tarp or whatnot, blowing rain in here. So anyway, not much to do. Just lay here, read, watch movies, enjoy the peacefulness. So tomorrow morning I plan on going to a different section, so we'll see how that goes. But anyway, whenever it gets time for me to cook something, I'll tune y'all in, because otherwise all I've been doing is just eating peanut butter. So I'll holla at y'all later. And like a little night excursion, I have some fun on the boat with the new lights. Alright, so here's the deal, y'all. Got me some bacon, and I've got me 2 Dr. Peppers now. Don't ask where they came from. So I'm fixing to fix up some of this bacon. I'm going to leave the bacon grease in here for the eggs, so I get the bacon grease effect. Anyway, so not much to it. Eat some bacon. I got my battery charger that I needed, so all my batteries are charging. So anyway, going to another different spot in the morning and see if we can do a better job. I realized 2 things today. One was control my breathing. Any experienced shooter will tell you that controlling your breathing is key, and I didn't focus on it. And then 2, give your deer time to expire. Anytime, even if you just smoked them right there, give them time. You never know. So anyway, I'll check back later. All right, everybody, I'm tucked in. I don't know what's better. But anyway, there we go. A lot better. All right, I'm tucked in. Got everything ready to go in the morning. Killed me some of that bacon, so that way I can have some more in the morning and kill off them eggs. And this morning I'll be dropping in some of my cut up jalapeno peppers, or bell peppers, excuse me. So anyway, good night from this Havens tent that is very, very comfortable, or Havens hammock, which is very, very comfortable, I might add. So, see you later.